86-inch LG QNED80T hands-on. Alpha 5 Gen 7 AI actually understands movies.
I walked into my buddy's house, saw this 86-inch monster on the wall, and literally said, "Wait, where's the rest of the room?" 10 minutes into Dune, I forgot I was in a living room. Tell me in the comments, what's the biggest TV you've ever sat in front of and actually felt small?
Glare washing out the picture. Colors looking washed on Sundays. Everyone on the couch complaining they can't see from the side. Your neck hurts from leaning. Now imagine walking in, sitting anywhere, and the screen just punches you in the face with color so hard your pulse sinks to the explosions.
Meet the 86-inch beast that ended the "you need OLED for good blacks" argument. The LG 86 QNED 80T Quantum Dot plus NanoCell layer delivers colors so pure you'll swear you're looking through a window. Alpha 5 AI Processor Gen 7 upscales everything, cable, YouTube, old DVDs, to razor-sharp 4K without adding fake edges. Local dimming carves out inky blacks while keeping highlights nuclear bright. Filmmaker Mode kills motion smoothing so directors don't haunt your dreams. webOS Renew guarantees 5 years of fresh features and speed. Built-in Alexa, plus magic remote that points like a laser mouse. Last month, my cinematographer friend Julia was about to return it because it's not OLED. We watched Oppenheimer in Filmmaker Mode at midnight. She texted me at 3 a.m., "I just ordered the 86. Cancel my return. I'm sorry I ever doubted." That's not marketing, that's surrender.
This is the giant thousands of us bought thinking, "I'll upgrade to OLED later," and then laughed at ourselves a year later. Caleb Pike said on stream, "I run an 86 QNED 80T as my daily editing monitor now. Color accuracy is stupid good after calibration." Our ratings measured over 1,000 nits peak brightness and wrote, "This is the brightest non-OLED we've ever tested." One analyst clocked viewing angles at 70 degrees with almost zero color shift and simply said, "Mini LED? Who?" Real user in our Discord last weekend. "My dad sat on the far left couch during the Super Bowl and swore he had the best seat in the house." Scared it's too big? Wait till you sit 10 feet away and feel like you're in the film. Think edge lit can't do blacks? The local dimming zones crush letterbox bars so hard you forget they exist. See why thousands of us treat this like endgame? Drop your current TV size below. I'll tell you exactly how much of your life you've been wasting on tiny screens.
Join the ridiculous number of us who finally turned our living room into something that actually feels like cinema. The LG 86 QNED 80T delivers quantum nanocell color, Alpha 5 Gen 7 AI that thinks for you, and 5 guaranteed years of webOS updates. No regrets, no burn-in worries, just jaw-on-floor picture. If you're ready to make every movie night feel illegal, grab yours through the link in the description. Thousands of us thought 86 inches is too big, until we sat down. Come find out how wrong we were.